Hey guys!
It's Emily
And Aaron.
Today we're making the world's biggest
Slime bubble.
or trying.
Yeah. We're
And
gonna have a test.
alright, ready?
So here we go. You wanna get closer, Mark, so you can
to be able to
that already fell.
Is
that
it
a
still
slime
going?
crunch? Yeah.
Alright. So this will probably be a minute, guys. Follow my Musical.ly at Emily.407 and Aaron as slime
underscore gymnast.
No,
it's just slime underscore gymnast.
Mine's Emily.407. Okay, so sorry guys for not posting ever. Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I was gonna say that's what makes up not posting forever. Coming back with slime video.
Oh god, yeah guys, we have like a lot of slime. Yeah, is it still going on?
Hey, put up.
That sucks.
This slime is good. We have to like.
Okay, wait. It's still going, bud. No.
And if there's
Sight.
no.
Is it going still, bud?
Yeah. There's holes in it. This is 4 people in this room. It's super hot. We got the sunburn.
Are you?
And let me
filming
try
us?
this side. Yeah. Let me try this side.
Hold on.
Big head, big head. Big head, big head.
Oh my god.
Dude, you're the ultimate.
Down. Let's
You went
try-
too late. So we're gonna try and just go 1, 2, like 1, 2,
And then go down.
Hey,
Down
hey,
the rail.
hey.
We just did it.
Stay stop. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here's the Stevie.
I told you 4 times.
Alright, guys, we'll be posting.
We're not done yet.
Yeah.
Still gotta do this.
We did.
You gotta keep doing this. That was a short video.
Oh, it still works.
We should make a whole bunch. What? 1 little time. Okay, so now we are going to do it 5 times. If we get it bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, 6.
1, 2,
3.
3, 4.
Oh,
Broke it on number
This
4.
time
We
we
have to go 5, just up and then just down. We gotta go up and down slow because the air. So I'm just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Oh, we could have kept going.
Yeah.
When it's spinning like that, we would just keep going. Ready?
Hey, Monkey, put
Down.
on.
Up,
Oh, shoot.
I messed up that one.
Alright, one last.
Yes.
Still going.
Stop.
Ready?
Stop.
Stop.
Down. Up, down, up, down, up,
Down.
Ah, close.
Alright, this is our last.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Shut up, bro. Okay.
3.
Up, down, up, down,
Up.
down.
Oh!
He ain't even getting it. He ain't even up close.
You gotta get up closer, bud.
Stop.
Get up right here, Marky. Hey.
I'm just trying
She
to.
keeps it.
Okay, stop.
Up,
down,
up,
down.
Oh,
That was a fail. Edit that out. Like
I'll try.
up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Curl. Curl.
Alright, so this is our last one.
Yeah, this is our.
And we are going 6 times.
Ready?
Up, down.
Wait, Marky, this is gonna be a good one. Up, down, up, down.
Down.
And oh, that was gonna be huge. When I put mine down, you do. We're gonna do 4 because 4's been the best we had so far. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Ah. Really?
This is why YouTubers are unprofessional. Okay.
Babe, you put it on
Down.
Wait.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Ah. Babe,
This is how you put Kambashikaboo.
Alright, this is our last count.
It's not stretchy. It's wide. Do you have any?
what are you doing? Crunchies.
Ready? Up, go. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Really, Em?
What? You said we were going on. That was 5, not 4. Well, we need to do like 5.
Oh.
Alright, ready, go. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Alright, last attempt for us, guys.
1,
2, 3. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. I'm full.
So this is our last attempt, so yeah.
Make it our last. Come on, Morky.
Oh, come on, come on.
Up, down, up, down, up, go.
down.
Oh!
Come down below if you like.
Huge. Our last.
That
one
is this week's video, guys.
I will
Well,
be today's video. We might make another one in like a couple minutes.
But
What do you
follow
think
my
of the
Musically at Emily.407. Aaron is slime_gymnast. And
You get it. Okay,
and,
so this is who all's here. Wait, let's all get in the mirror.
and I know it's not a professional camera, but
Yeah.